Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the largest prime number less than 60? Firstly, let us see the prime numbers less than 60. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, then 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, which is greater than 60. So here we can observe that 59 is the largest prime number which is less than 60. Hence, 59 is the largest prime number less than 60.